Hello kids. So in our previous class, we learned some conjunctions. So among them, we learned fan means for and not. So today we are going to learn boys, about boys. That means but, or, at, so. Once again, B for but, O for or, Y for at, S for so. So let us see what is but. But is used to connect things that are different. They may be different things, different ideas, anything which are different from our expectation. So we are thinking one and it is happening another. So something different it is going on. So such type of sentences if we join, then we want to join them by using but. Two different things. If we want to join two different things. I can play football but I was unable to play. Means I can do but I was unable to do. Means which we can. The other thing is which we cannot. One can be done, other cannot be done. Okay? In that way. One is our idea, the other is the thing which happened other than our idea. Such things. So let us see with go with the example so that you can understand better. I thought to eat a chocolate. If I think to eat a chocolate, normally I want to eat a chocolate. Yes? But something different happened. What is that? My mother gave me an apple to eat. Oh, I thought to eat a chocolate, but mother gave me an apple. She thought that it is very energetic to eat apple. So, something different happened. I thought to eat a chocolate, but something different happened. So, what must I use? I want to use but. This is the other thing which happened than my thinking. Okay? So, let us go with the second one. We were shouting in the class. Children, if you shout in the class, normally what does the teacher do? Teacher will scold. She will ask you to keep quiet and to be silent or something else. Yes? But if something other than that happens, what we want to do? We want to use but. See, teacher didn't say anything. Nothing. Teacher didn't say anything. Normally teachers won't allow to shout in the class. Yes? But here what happened? But teacher didn't say anything. That means we want to use the conjunction but. Here our idea is quite different. So we are using but. I prepared well for my exams. Yes, very well I prepared for my exams so that I want to write them very well. I can attempt them very well. That is a normal thing. It must happen. But we can see that because of Corona we also didn't write our exam. But happened here. What happened here? Let us see. I couldn't write properly. Oh, they were unable to write. Here, I prepared well for my exams. When I prepared well, I must write very well. But what happened here? I was unable to write. How? See, I was unable to write them. Okay, kids? Now, let us go for the next one. That is O, or. Okay? So now let us go with or. What is or? When do we use or? Or is the word we use when we are joining the two sentences which gives a choice. There we can find a choice. We can select this or select that. We have a choice in selection. So no one is forcing us to do the thing. They are giving us the choice. They are asking us to find which can be done by us. Okay. So you can say that it is used for a choice. Now if you see the examples, I may go to a movie, a park. So there is a choice. I can go. So you can see such words that I may, I can. So shall we means they are requesting. It is a request and it is a permission. Means they are asking us the permission. They are giving us the choice. So such words we use when or is there. But not wherever we can find may, can, shall. We can't say that sentences contains that. But most probably when we have two sentences or two words to be joined by using, then we can use or. Okay. So I may go to a movie or a park. So there is a choice that I can go. I may go, because I am not confirmed where I wanted to go. I have a choice to go, so I can go anywhere. I may go to anywhere. Okay. You can play with your friends. You can play with your friends. So that is your choice. So they are giving you. They are not saying you must. Must is the thing which orders us to do it compulsorily. But here they are saying you can play. Can is the word which here we use for giving us some choice. So that's why they say you can play with your friends. Can complete your homeworks. That means you can complete your homeworks. That's your choice. You can do any one of the both the things. So what do we use here? We use or. So or is a conjunction. Next. Shall we go by bus? They are requesting us. Shall we go by bus? Means they are asking. Can we? Or both of us. Means two of them are trying. So shall we go by bus? Take the train. So two choice. They can go by bus or they can take the train. So we use or. So there is a choice in asking. Shall we go by bus or take the train? We cannot go by both. Okay. So shall we go by bus or take the train? So when choice is there in the sentences, means when two sentences are given in such a way that we can find some choice, then we want to use the conjunction or. Now let us move to the. Now let us see the letter Y. Y means yet. When do we use yet? Yet is used to connect the ideas that go against. Means if we are thinking to do something but we are not doing that one. Okay. So then we can say against, means our idea. According to our idea, we are not working. According to our wish, we are not doing something. We are doing against our ideas, against our wish and against what we are thinking. So our ideas. Action is against our idea. So connect the ideas that go against. So let us go with some examples. I am not interested to read. So if I am not interested to read, I must not read. But I am reading here. Okay. So I read the total book. Means I am not interested, yet I read the total book. Sometimes you will get confused with yet and but. But according to that relation, but and yet can be used sometimes. Okay. So sometimes both gives the same meaning. So when your ideas are against, then you can use the yet. So I am not interested to read, yet I read the total book. My friend didn't learn swimming. So a person who doesn't learn swimming, he must not go for swimming. Yes. But what happened here? He swam very well. Though he doesn't know the swimming, he swam very well. Yet he swam very well. So we use our according to the situation. Because he didn't learn swimming, he must not swim. But he swam very well. That's why we use yet. She can dance very well. A person can dance. A girl, we are talking about a girl. She can dance very well. She refused to participate. When she is dancing very well, she must dance and she knows dancing. So, but she didn't dance. So, we use the word yet here. She can dance very well, yet she refused to participate. Also, we can use but in some cases. So, according to the context and according to the sentences, you can use but and yet in some times. Okay, children? So, now what is the next letter? Yes, let us go with. So is used to connect a problem with a solution. So, previously, for is to connect solution with a problem. So, is to connect a problem with a solution. Whatever problem you have, for that if you have a solution, then we can join the two sentences by using so. If you have two sentences, first sentence contains a problem, the second sentence contains a solution. The first sentence, remember that first sentence has a problem and second sentence has a solution. Then we join them by using the word so. Now, so is a conjunction which is used to join two sentences in which first sentence contains a problem and second contains a solution. Now, see here. I cannot run fast. It is my problem. I can't run fast. So, what I want to do? I didn't participate in the race. If I participate, I know that I may not win. I may fall down or some problem may arise to me. So I don't want that problem. So I want to escape from the problem that I can't run fast. So what I did? I didn't participate in the race. I can say that I am getting leg pain. So I didn't participate in the race. So anything, whatever it might be your problem, any problem is there, then we want to join it with the so. Next, I am sick. I am sick. That is the problem which I am facing. So, I went to a doctor. So, if I am sick, I must go to a doctor probably so that I can get the treatment. I can't understand properly. So, I asked my teacher. So, there is a problem that I cannot understand it properly. So, what we do? We ask the teacher. So, that is the solution. In the same way, I want to score. So, this is so, which is a conjunction we are using. I want to score full marks. So, if I want to score full marks, what must I do? I prepared well for the exam. So, I prepared well for the exam. So, is the word we are using here to join these two sentences. When two sentences are given, we must check that what is there in the sentences. How is the first sentence and how is the second sentence? According to that, we want to join them by using a proper conjunction. Now, children, I think that you understood fan voice. F is for, A for, and, N for, nor, B for, but, O for, or, Y for, yet, yes for so. And what is the aim? Your aim is to identify and use conjunctions. So identification is also very important. So you have 7 conjunctions. So you can identify wherever you find this in your paragraph, in your textbook or somewhere, you must be able to find that they are conjunctions. Check that they are normally if they use and normally don't think that they are conjunctions. When two sentences, two words or something they are joining, then we say they are conjunctions. So, and to join simple sentences, we are learning here only simple sentences. 2 simple sentences we are taking and we are joining them. Okay. So, we have many exercises basing on this and you want to complete your yes to in your block 3. Okay. So, let us see our exercises and volume. Okay, kids? Now, children, open your volume, page number 22. Now, see the first question. Underline the conjunctions in the paragraph. Can you see? Basing on the word fanboys, find out all the conjunctions which were present in this passage and underline all the conjunctions. So, here you are going to identify the conjunction which is the first one in our aim. Now, identify all the conjunctions. Now, see the second question. Join the sentences using the correct conjunctions. So, as we discussed before, read the sentence properly. Here you have 2 simple sentences. Read these sentences and join them by using the conjunctions from the fanboys according to the sentence properly. Now, see the third question. Make sentences with the conjunction. So, there you can see 2 conjunctions, for and so. According to the definition, try to join 2 simple sentences by using the conjunction for and so and complete your volume and send a pic through WhatsApp. Okay, children?